Step 1. Identify the primary sources of noise entering your room, like windows, doors, or walls. Step 2. Seal any gaps or cracks around windows and door frames using weather stripping to block sound. Step 3. Apply acoustic caulk to larger gaps around windows, baseboards, and other potential entry points. Step 4. Hang thick curtains or blackout curtains over your windows to absorb sound and block light. Step 5. Consider adding a second layer of curtains for enhanced sound blocking capabilities near windows. Step 6. Place a thick rug or carpet on the floor to absorb sound reflections within the room. Step 7. Use strategically placed furniture like bookshelves or wardrobes against walls to dampen sound. Step 8. Add soft items like blankets, pillows, and tapestries to walls for added sound absorption. Step 9. Use a white noise machine or fan to mask distracting sounds and promote relaxation. Step 10. Upgrade your door by adding a door sweep to the bottom to block sound from the hallway. Step 11. Consider using a heavy blanket or acoustic panel on the door for improved sound absorption. Step 12. Reposition furniture to minimize sound transmission through shared walls with noisy rooms. Step 13. Earplugs or noise-canceling headphones can provide additional noise reduction while sleeping if needed. Step 14. Communicate with housemates or neighbors about noise levels and respectful quiet hours in the evening. you.